It's here for. I think we can mystery. Okay, Mr. Yamamuni Akwaba, about Melodies Podcast YouTube channel, so Mr. And then your first time subscribe and click notification bell on this so am I. We understand latest news be about one Sabeka Metro send your bill screen so CCR and then that screen so no. And the Sape am I. Na we are a number na WhatsApp number na that screen na share no. And also I don't bia Mr. Fafa ho obi to me afre kra open more on a story be a particular story bia ye bia we ni anje ho de ye kan ye o hwa ye mistake bia obi to me afre am I correct na wo bia your Facebook page link no so e description box ni mu extra click na like your Facebook page so ma ye posti update so e wo ho na etie for yembra yensem so ende Yene nim say sisia no de eda Ghana for dodo na no na Black Stars match a wo moko boy ene nim ye beka say tournament on ko boy AFCON na ye need Tunisia for penalties so mu yin ye free mo ene say penalties in there Black Stars the penalties are boy India but enye enokra ni asema ye beka na journalist bi etie for munti asem we you Kasapa FM for air report say a particular journalist be able also will call Egypt for Eden Sema Babontin. It's here for Muntin you or the Sema Babontin say Black Stars players here yet Ghana. Yesusu say one more year Juma Abwa Madalano. I say Black Stars players a bimo. One more year one de or girls ecology or hotel na. Omo Black Star players na lodge one. Na say one more we guess na say exams omo focusing on football match no biejankwa no mu bieja ejankwa no mu bie India no ko park so a wo ntumi enko bohwe no na yesi omo a one form girls anko ne so no wo mo ma ye import erade omo ma ye the girls every Dubai eba Egypt ho e ma wo mo ni omo ebe die na je sansa na match bia be koso no they say woman name ba we wo mo fa wo mo hu yie pa wo say yes ngofu we yo mo hu bi sana journalist bi kan wo say ono so undercover wo koye wo Egypt no na journalist we or sports journalist wo Kasapa FM or sports journalist wo Kasapa FM your friend Michael Tufo but dodo na FM no area Otega Dudwana FM area Otega until you be able to take Kasapa FM or sports unim area Otega wono ena walk was it on no area Otega otu no hu si ho a wokọ Egypt ho ejuma nkwa no ko boy onim ne ntia Black Stars mo ko ho montumi enko concentrate wo ejuma ho because just am say AFCON no kra no acha one man inti say one man to anfa ho anka ho ba den ne besi ena mo akọ boy dwaman wo ho a ama ende Ghana yedi ndungwase abafie na esan say Kasapa FM for and report here say we person me read the article no from Kasapa FM trail na baby a also metritrim no metritrim na yati asemi ye was say it has emerged that some Black Stars players allegedly busily engaged themselves in sexual bouts before every match during their short stay in the ongoing 2019 African Cup of Nations in Egypt. Naturally say send and some air kono and sana match be abekoso no Black Star players be there omu yo musisi mu ansa. I say some of the players reportedly lodged their girlfriends in the same hotel they camped in, sneaking to have sex. Naturally say players ni bi mu baby ya camp omu players no ebi mu Emma wo mo girlfriends eba ho mo girlfriends nso ebeda ho naturally say yen konkon supi ni ye ho ni ye ko now who notice brofo a omo yusu wa ha mo say sneaking to have sex naturally say wo mu wia wo mo ho sebe boy dwaman na omo wia wo mo ho hyeso and bieja. I say a practice some believe accounted for their poor performance at the tournament. Na eno na nkrofo eka say eno enam so ama players no going to me ambo mo homoden. I say the Black Stars were on Monday kicked out of the tournament by their Tunisian counterparts at round of 16 stage. Okay, no. I say Ghanaians are livid that the Black Stars could not end the 37 trophy drought after the team admitting that they were given all they needed for a successful tournament. Not to say for 37 years, ni Obianim said 37 years, the Black Stars, yanye trophy biya. Na enya say yanye hwe, ye say aban eye na femu de. Em say ansa no mbeko no wo moko sra president. Embra wo moko du Egypt na so no president esan so ko sra mo ata say first game crown the president ekohwe bi. Sika wo mo hia nia no yenyante ye say teams near a core Africa, teams near a core AFCON no. Ghana and the highest budget a core, and actually say Ghana na yedisi kapa a core atiase, and there was a Benin, Madagascar, more qualify Ghana sika yede core no. Na a be 2-3 times Benin and Madagascar for sika woman the core. And so more qualify na yen befi. Intino Sikasem and the say aban eye nia no aban eye boa players no inti aban the send players yi woman bomodin. I say Kasapa FM sports journalist Michael Tufor aka Area Ortega, who is covering the tournament in Egypt, reported that indiscipline on the part of the players contributed to the team's abysmal performance. He wondered why some of these players could not control their sexual urge for just this brief period the tournament was underway. Not just say Ortega no I say aden and I want to mean some so say 1 man pe and I more call a tournament now aden na 1 month mu to mean some so mo ko wia mo ho eko bieja e wo ho. I say some of us came to work in Egypt and didn't sleep on the job. We have all the exclusives about Black Stars players. Some of these players, whom the state spent huge monies on them, after being camped on the 3rd floor of the hotel they resided in, brought their girlfriends in and lodged them on the 4th floor in the same hotel. Hey, that I said, Black Stars, your mom a 3rd floor, so woman done, woman your girlfriends by a mom girlfriends no echo that 4th floor. I said they go up to the 4th floor and engage in bouts of sex before every match. Hey, now, Miss Ro, journalists now walk out no, our exclusive on this matter. Now, Black Stars players now go share 4th floor, and then banner ko da Miss Ro. Or when on him, I know who room ho say woman name banner ko da. Journalists no woko hobiana, and I will see them say, oh, oko ho no name ba, ana obi ne oba ko da, ana mbani yedede. Omo money, Emma what to say, oh, obema ni omo dana. That's just on the lighter side. But we, and a journalist, Neka, who to say, when we go for year, pa journalist on call no, might say, a countryman Songo, one also Akasa, currently he's still in Egypt. I'll say the idea, just say, and then you're Chinaya, so booking a flight, no back to Ghana. One also Akasa, na journalist be brave. Just say a bimo omoka said BBC echo so ampa. I say some of these girls came from Dubai. Just 2 months, these players who had been given $36,000 as qualification bonus each were so money conscious and couldn't control their libidos and had so much sex affecting their performance in the process. Hey, not to say qualification bonus I am $36,000. Now it's for me about $36,000 for qualification. It will be over the effect of this money and now sika ways in the case here. The person me calculate current dollar rate 5.4. So the person me calculate na Ghana for what would tell me Ghana scheme ya bo Ghana scheme na obeti ase. Say ya the Ghana scheme one 194,400 Ghana cedis. Not just say 1.9 billion, just say close to 2 billion no. Close to 2 billion. And can say players close to 2 billion. Hey, sika wo. That I say qualification bonus pe no. O qualifier bonus pa ya de be ma no. I say each were so money conscious and couldn't control their libidos. Naturally, say this kind of more mono. Si kane did you mutrimwa for this kind of more mono so no. Sebe, wamwayasi elbow omo tokon. Omo to me and show omo so. I say, and they had so much sex. Naturally, say, a Jamaican dear, Womoko and Womoko Bobby, Pomo and Kosomoko tournament, a Jamaican Womoko boy, affecting their performance in the process. Some of us journalists were not comfortable with what was happening, but decided to keep our mouth shut until the end of the match. Naturally, say, journalists no, do na de na ekos no mu huye, womani anje, but now mo besa womo be kasa afa ho ama Ghana for distraction about omo your imagine say ye wie match and ye tournament ni we no mo aka ho adwen no mo aka ho asem nti e ho e na afei wo mo epia wo mo kasa afa ho etefo na me within the last paragraph no say in the AFCON 2013 the same thing happened when some Black Stars players brought their girlfriends to camp, and it was revealed that they will not happen again. It was revealed that will not happen again. But here we are with the same behavior being repeated in Egypt. That I say, we can the first time 2013 hey! I see we have a lot to say when we return to Ghana. Na it's here for your train your mom Ghana. Na woman beka ye de betie. Trewa dwen e wo comment box mo ba eno ne asema aba say Black Stars players ebi mo e de mba e free Dubai e be real mo. So we dey embassy crack. Trewa dwen comment box we take for me that say.